The photo cell senses darkness and the lights come on 2700 Kelvin at 60 watts maximum. We have the up and the down lit up. It's a nice warm color. Check online for further details about the product and the different colors they come in and the different makes and models. We'll check out the one in the back and show you what it looks like. 13-inch dusk to dawn wireless lights. They are 2700 Kelvin IP65 rated to be hung on the wall by a pool, backyard, wherever you want to have light that shines up and down. We're going to show you what this looks like out of the box. Check online for further detail about the products and colors and sizes these come in. You get a set of hardware for each light, and the top and bottom cover comes off by simply just feeling for the edges. Lifting up carefully. Removing the inner cover to the bulb. And if ever need changing the bulb, put your hands in, unspin the bulb, and replace with another LED bulb. The rating for these bulbs are 60 watts. Place back the cover and repeat for the other side and other light fixture. The photo cell cover goes over the sensor on the side. As you can see, the light lit. If you need to change out the bulb, take the cover off, put a new bulb in, put the cover on again to make this IP65 rated. Dress up your back fence, poolside, side, front, back of the house, business, residential. These lights can be decorated anywhere imaginable. It's a YP rated 65, water resistant to a certain extent. I hope these lights are something that you are looking for in a 110 VAC system. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.